So cocktail number 5, we are making whiskey sour, very famous cocktail, whiskey based, made with whiskey, lime, simple syrup and egg white. So this cocktail can go into whiskey glass if it is taken with the ice, or if it is not taken with the ice, so you can give it in the coupe glass. So simply like last time, you have given your coupe glass extra cold. So manually you have it a gentle stir and keep it aside. You have to start with egg white, lime juice 22 to 25 ml, simple syrup again 20 ml, lesser than lime juice because this is whiskey sour, should be savory side. A double shot of whiskey. This cocktail has to be shaken twice. So first shake you will do the primarily shake with the ice, and the second one without the ice, which is called reverse shake. So this is just to make it more frothy. So egg white, so you can see the white texture, froth. Garnish, you can that's a whiskey sour. Cheers.